Throughout our Cultural Nepal series, we have touched on Nepali lives and perspective, history and culture, while also highlighting the lives of some specific Nepali people beyond their native land. In the last two episodes of our Authentic Nepali section, presented by Cultural Nepal, we have tried to see how past and present generations have been bearing the responsibility of raising their children from early childhood all the way through adulthood. And today, we will be looking at a few optional and varied family rituals recognized among more than 50 different ethnicities of Nepali people. First one is Nuaran, which is traditional naming ceremony. Second, called Bratabandha or Bartaman, coming of age. And the third one is Bihe, the wedding ceremony. We are deeply grateful to those who are willing to share these very personal and the most important events of their lives to our viewers. Thank you for sharing. Let us begin with Nuaran, which is a baby naming ceremony. In Nepali culture, children are given a traditional private name in addition to the one they use in public. This traditional name is very sacred and personal, calculated based upon the time and location of their birth using lunar calendar with careful consideration. In this calculation, precise position of the planet at the time of birth are taken into account. Therefore, the naming of a new baby in Nepali culture is not simple and straightforward. With those calculations, a seasoned and learned priest will even predict the personality and future of a child. Later in life, this can be used as a tool to match up with right partner for a successful conjugal life. There is some flexibility in these rituals, but the central theme is spirituality. Here we will show a glimpse of one typical ritual improvised in America.
हाम्रो उसमा हिन्दू धर्ममा 8 वटा वस्तुहरू 8 जना चाहिँ नि इमर्टल भनौँ न चिरञ्जीवी भनेको कहिले पनि अमर कहिले पनि भए हुनाले त्यो चिरञ्जीवी चाहिँ नि बच्चाको चिरञ्जीवीको जन्मदिनमा पनि हस्यो है असय 5 वर्षमा किन जन्मोत्सवमा जन्मोत्सव अनि जन्मोत्सव भनेको कारण हो केही दुईटा त चिरञ्जीवी पूजा गरेको भनेको पनि हाम्रो बच्चाहरू पनि त्यस्तै मर्डल मलाई चाहिँ पूजा गराउनलाई दिदी चाहिँ नि उनीहरूले दिदीमा तलमाथि गर्यो भने चाहिँ थाहा हुन्छ
Bratabandha, coming of age ceremony. As a child approaches teenage and moves towards mature life, they are given guidelines for responsibilities through coming of age ceremony. Bartaman is considered the most significant spiritual event for a young man in Nepal, even more so than marriage, as it is considered the gateway to living a mature and responsible life. This event prepares a young man for success, not only for earthly living, but also for their spiritual future. An equivalent to Bartaman for a girl is called Gunyu Cholo, and it is much more simpler event than of a boy. Here we saw little glimpse of an improvised version of doing in America.
We have already talked, even though you didn't want to do it. And do I want to do it?
Yeah.
Yes, because I've seen people doing it in Nepal, and I wanted to do it because I don't want my son to get married without doing Bartaman. Technically, we are not supposed to get married without doing Bartaman, right, Diju?
Oh, yes, yes. Bartaman is
So
very important.
there's a very good reason behind of it, I know.
Yeah.
Guru will explain for you. And त्यसपछि every religion has it, हैन? के भन्छ दिजो क्रिसमसको लागि?
Christmas.
क्रिस्चियनको लागि
Coming to is
हो coming to age and Jews को लागि bar mitzvah जस्तै. Right? And तिमी को नि रोमियो?
okay, yeah. So Bartaman also gives you like a lot of wisdom.
I know, Lathura,
How
I
to
wish
like
you
way
all
of
the
life,
best.
you know how to live.
I'm 19 and tomorrow is my Bartaman and I'm just getting ready for that big day tomorrow.
Yeah, you know what Bartaman is?
A little bit.
Yeah, they tell us what is it.
It's about like me growing up so I can become a man and get married and stuff like that.
Yeah, be responsible. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
पवित्र पवित्र स्नान पुण्डरीकाक्ष पुण्डरीकाक्ष.
So do you know what it means? Like what are you gonna be doing? Do you know what the process is?
A little bit.
Are you ready for it first of all?
Yeah. I have to wake up early tomorrow starts at 7 o'clock and I have to sit with the baje for about, I think it's 5 hours. And I have to cut my hair, shave it, and do a lot of other things too.
यो स्पोर्ट्सलाई तल जानु पर्दैन?
उसले जानुपर्छ
जानुपर्छ है अहिले खाए.
उसको कपाल बाँधेर राखिदिनु पऱ्यो.
हजुर.
त्यो कपाल बाँध्नुको लागि त्यो पूजा गर्नुपर्ने.
भोलि कपाल चाहिँ कसले काट्ने हो त? मामा. ए मामा सबै सबै.
खासमा त्यो भिक्षा मागेपछि एकपल्ट बाहिर गएर भित्र आउनुपर्छ हैन गुरु?
भागेर
यो सकेसम्म नखसाल्नु है यसलाई.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited about the most?
Getting my hair cut.
Oh, okay. Being a man.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you think you're kind of anxious about? Is there something you would rather not do? And
I feel like I'm gonna be very tired sitting for a very long time on the ground. Get my knees. It's gonna hurt a lot. But I'm ready.
ओम पूर्व संग्रह सिद्धस्तु अध्यय ओम ओम अध्यय काश्यप गोत्र तन्नस्य नाम अवस्था आवश्यक नय सिद्धको यदि त्रिपद शाखा शाखन तर्फ शुक्ल धनुर्वेदाय ध्यायी नाम वर्णो अहम मम आफू नाम अहम मम द्विजाचार्य प्रार्थार्थम योग्य पवित्र धारणा अधिकार सिद्धार्थम इमामी तण्डुलम पूर्ण काशम पात्रास्यानि सफलानि योग्य पवित्रानि ब्रह्मदेवतानि ओम बाणेभ्यो नमः ओम धनुर्बाणेभ्यो नमः अब धनुर हान्ने
मलाई हान्ने स्पर्श
अब त्यहाँ हान्ने उताबाट छोड्ने उता तारेर लगाउने
ल ए दिदी
ड्याडीलाई आउन दिनु पर्यो
What do you think gonna change after you finish Portugal?
About me,
About you, about like, you know.
I don't think much
How
is
do you
gonna
see,
change.
do you think you'll be still different after it happens or?
I think I'll be the same. I think my parents will look at me the same. Like,
Okay.
yeah, I don't think much will change, but like, I think they'll have bigger relief that it's done, because I think it was supposed to be done earlier in my life. But
Do you know, so do you want to say anything to your parents, because it's really one of their gift?
I want to say thank you for helping me through this, and thank you. Yeah, thank you for filming it. It was a great gift.
I wish you all the best for your life,
Thank you.
upcoming mature life. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's all done now.
Almost, I think.
Okay.
Thank you.
ओम दीक्षा भवती मे देहि ओम दीक्षा भवती मे देहि
Next event is marriage, which is considered as an important social responsibility in Nepal for both parents, children, and the community. It is considered an important responsibility not just for one partner to another, but also for each person's spiritual growth. Though some will choose to remain single mostly for spiritual reasons, marriage is considered a crucial part of life cycle. Traditionally, it is done with the agreements not only of the couple, but also of their families and society that surrounds them.
Who is that boy? Are you a groom? Looks like you're getting married today? Wow.
मेरो अहिले बेला भएको छ अझै 5 इयर्स पछि
Partners get chosen with deep and thoughtful considerations, sometimes matching their traditional birth certificate from Nuaran ceremony in a very private and personal way. Here is one traditional marriage in America to give you a glimpse.
भद्रं वदा दक्षिणतो भद्रमुत्तरतो वदा भद्रं प्रतिपुंसवामहे निधीनां त्वा निधिपतिं भवामहे द्वादशैतानि नामानि या पठेत् सूर्यातपि विद्यारम्भे विवादे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा सङ्ग्रामे सङ्गतिमेव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते शुक्लाम्बरधरं
एलिसा
Elisha,
हजुर म मेरो पनि साथी हो हामी एउटै यसमा काम गर्ने हामी एउटै यसमा
that's that's wonderful.
So I guess I'm from both sides but more from her side.
Oh, very nice that you get to marry in a Nepali tradition, right? Yeah, you didn't want it to wear white gowns
No,
for the marriage? No, you wanted that. You are an educated lady, right? So you still choose to marry in a traditional way. What is the benefit of marrying in a traditional way?
I don't know, my parents want, I want, that's it.
So you trust your parents, in other words.
सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राभ्यमाउतामृतत्वसे तानो जनन्येनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमानोज्जायांश पूरुषः पादोस्य बिल्वाभूतानि कृपेते ब्राह्मणोस्य मुखमासीत् बाहु हरे ओम माँ उनके विकास के लिए देखिए हरे ओम माँ ओम भूर्वा स्वाहा रात्र को बना करके पूजन किया और उसमें गंगा सरस्वती गोदावरी सभी की पादों से अभी ततो विराड जाय तब विराजो अधिपूर्वः सजातो अध्यरिचत पश्चात् भूमिमतो पुरः तस्माज्जन्या सर्वभूताः संभृतं प्रखदाज्यं मा पशुंस्ता चक्रे वायव्यान्तरिक्षपुंसि स्नौर्यो वैरुदावद्भ्यां लोकान् कल्पन्नादपुर्णां कार्यं वेदाः वेदमुपादाउचेते वेदानितं ओम सशंखचक्रं सकरेटकुण्डलं सपेतवस्त्रं सरसेरुहेक्षणम्
भाइको बिहे रमाइलो लागिरहेछ बुहारी आउनु भयो बत्ती आउने भयो भइरहेको बत्तीभन्दा उज्यालो बत्ती आउने भयो घरमा रमाइलो लागेको छ भाइलाई सुख मिल्ने भयो शान्ति मिल्ने भयो दाम्पत्य जीवन सुखीमय बित्छ भन्ने आशा गरेको छु
In the end, it is all about personal responsibility and responsibility for the community you live in. Thank you for watching.